Drowning in debt can feel overwhelming, but there's a way out. Follow this step-by-step plan to regain control of your finances and become debt-free faster than you think. Face the numbers. List every debt: credit cards, loans, interest rates, and minimum payments. Total it all. Awareness is the first step toward change. Create a budget that works. Cut non-essentials, track every expense, and allocate extra cash toward debt. A tight, realistic budget is your most powerful tool. Choose your strategy: Snowball or Avalanche. Snowball. Pay off the smallest debt first for motivation. Avalanche. Target highest interest debt to save more. Pick what works for you. Negotiate lower rates. Call creditors to ask for reduced interest or a new payment plan. You'd be surprised how often they say yes if you're proactive. Boost your income. Side hustles, freelancing, or selling unused items can add extra funds. Apply every extra dollar directly to debt. Avoid new debt. Freeze credit cards, delete shopping apps, and stop using credit while paying down what you owe. Track progress weekly. Small wins matter. Celebrate milestones and keep your eyes on the goal. Financial freedom. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.